Hi everyone, I'm participating to 2018 Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by Christine over at the DIY Mummy. I hope you enjoy. You are going to see my garden's journey in 3 years. We moved to newly built property in May 2015 and the garden was sloped towards the house by about half a meter and the patio had only 9 slabs. I designed the garden from scratch and paid a handyman to build it for me, and my sons helped him occasionally as well. Naturally, I wanted a bigger patio and no slope, so we had to have 2 levels for this project. We started in June and finished in October, as I spent 6 weeks in Turkey during the summer and obviously handyman couldn't continue. When he finally finished in October, there was a huge end-of-season sale in Garden Centers, which worked perfectly as I needed to buy loads of plants to fill up the beds. If you subscribe to my channel, you already know my favorite colors and my color scheme. I wanted to carry the inside colors out by using lilac masonry paint from B&Q. My planting color scheme was naturally pinks, purples and blues, and I avoided red at all costs. I made a huge mistake with the lighting as they are very bright and at the eye level when you sit down. So I had the taller plants in front of it, so when they grew, finally it softened the effect and now it's kinder to eye. When they laid the turf finally, it made a huge difference to the overall look and my garden looked complete in November 2015. My favorite time was spring 2016 as all my hard work paid off and my spring bulbs bloomed fantastically. I planted about 50 shades of pink tulips and they looked gorgeous. By May that year, we had the patio furniture and really started to enjoy the garden when the British weather allowed us. Since my living room looks at my garden, I wanted to create a garden for all seasons. Whenever it snowed, it really looked beautiful from inside. Here's a picture from last Christmas. I will now let you enjoy the photos, then I will share a cleaning up operation this year and a video of the current garden. Nothing is more satisfying than seeing my garden growing every year and seeing all the plants growing and filling up their spaces. I hope you enjoyed my garden journey and got some inspiration for your own outdoor space. Thank you, Christine, for the invite. I will leave a link below for her channel so you can actually see the playlist and watch other participants' videos. I hope you subscribe to my channel before you go as well so I can continue to inspire you more. Until next time, bye bye.